For this singing time, I have a whole bunch of birds that are gonna help us with our songs today. I also have some clues. Now, when I read this clue, notice that each of the birds have a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the birds are the answer to the clue. So if you think you know which bird it is, hold up that many fingers. Like if you think it's bird number 2, if you think it's bird number 5, like that. Ready? Clue number 1. This bird stands on one leg to conserve energy and stay warm. And then I also have a second clue that I give for senior primary instead. This bird gets its unique color from what it eats. Do you think you know that one? Okay, I'll put the answer behind my back. Okay, answer in 3, 2, 1. Number 7. Did you guess the flamingo? Good. So, like the flamingo, we're going to sing this song balancing on one leg. And so we're going to sing Families Can Be Together Forever. Still sing, but see if you can balance through the whole song. And we'll just pause for that. Maybe I'll do a different video or not. Okay, clue number 2. This bird cannot move its eyes, so it can turn its head completely around to be able to see. Answer in 3, 2, 1. Number 2. That's an owl. For this one, we can't turn our head completely around, but we're going to turn our bodies completely around. So everyone turn around, and I'm going to go to the back of the room, and we're going to sing He Prepares a Way from the back. But I won't sing it now. Clue number 3. This bird is the only bird that can fly forwards, backwards, and upside down. I didn't know that about this bird. Think you know? Okay, the answer in 3, 2, 1. Did you get number 6? That's the hummingbird. Very good. So we're going to sing My Heavenly Father Loves Me. This is not one of our program songs, but I chose it so we could hum the song. Hummingbird, we're going to hum the song, but we know the sign language to this song. So we're going to sing it with our hands, and we're going to hum along. I know that's a lot to do, but I think you guys can do it. And I think I have that in a different video. If you search that song, I might have the sign language for that. Clue number 4. This bird is a great swimmer. And I realize now I didn't totally write the best clue, so I'll give you the second clue. Because there's a couple birds that might answer that one. But this bird builds its nest with rocks and pebbles. What bird is a great swimmer and builds its nest with rocks and pebbles? 3, 2, 1. Did you get number 4? A penguin. So for this one, we're going to get in our penguin position, and you're going to be kind of like a human metronome. Penguins waddle, and we are going to waddle to the beat. It's kind of a challenge because the beat is a little slow to We'll Bring the World His Truth. We have been born as Nephi of old. Like that. But we're going to go through the whole first verse. Clue number 5. This bird is most often found on farms or kept as pets. Think you know? Answer in 3, 2, 1. 9. The chicken. So for this one, I'm going to teach you the dance of the chicken. We'll do search, ponder, and pray. We're going to do beaks for 2. 1, 2. Wings for 2. 3, 4. And then kind of a shimmy down. Say, I love to read the Holy Scriptures, and every time I do, I feel the Spirit start to grow within my heart, a testimony that they're true. Search, ponder, and pray are the things that I must do. The Spirit will guide, and deep inside, I'll know the Scriptures are true. Clue number 6. This small bird, prefers to run very fast instead of fly. And I have a second clue that for senior 2. This bird has a distinct X-shaped footprint. Answer in 3, 2, 1. 10, the road runner. Very good. So we are going to sing I Love to See the Temple, verse 1, very fast, like the road runner. In the program, we're going to sing it slow and legato and very reverently. But today we're going to have a little fun and see how fast we can go. But I'm not going to sing it now. Clue number 7. When this bird gets scared, it lays its head low to the ground and looks like its head is buried in the sand. I answer in 3, 2, 1. Number 5, ostrich. Very good. So for this one, like the ostrich hiding in the sand, we're going to sing the second verse of I Love to See the Temple with our eyes closed. If you think you're going to peek, maybe put your palms over your eyes, and then I'm going to walk around the room. And with your eyes closed, your ears are going to be more powerful. See if you can hear where I walk around in the room. Clue number 8. This bird is very loud, especially when it's hanging out with the whole flock in the rainforest. Answer in 3, 2, 1. Got number 1? Good. So this is also not a program song, but we're going to sing I'm a Child of God. And when you see the macaw, when I hold it up, you're going to sing loud. When you don't see the macaw, you don't have to sing loud. And they had a lot of fun with that one. Thanks for singing with me today.